Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stuck Index Trading Room. Make my screen up. There we go. Uh, I hope this finds you healthy, happy, prosperous, safe, living the life of your dreams. In this weekly presentation recap, I'm going to share with you a signal called the Santa Claus. And I did that on purpose in the room. I knew that I was going to have this holiday edition. And we've been trading this over 3 years. The signal I'm going to share with you. And our members, some of our members report that they have the success I'm going to show you by trading this. But what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we identify key market entries using order flow breakout reads. And this gets us in the market before price response, which is pretty cool, to be honest with you. We enjoy that. If you've never read that, we'll make it legal. Please pause, read it, and come and join us. I'm going to go through this real fast because you can pause it and read it and do whatever. Price follows order flow. Okay, successful traders realize this, capitalize that on for market entries. What if you can find a tool and a tested, proven, successful market entry strategy system signal that shows very likely areas of structure where price is getting ready to break out, but before it breaks out? Would that be of interest to you? See, we have the tool and the system that we're going to share with you. It's how we do it in a room. We introduced a little over 3 months ago, breakout rocket approach to entering the market, and we've had an overwhelming number of our students share that they're passing their prop accounts, trading funded accounts. They share their certificates with us, some of them, a lot of them. And so we know this is happening for them. Okay, the Santa Claus, I'll show you why we called it that in a minute. Market entry signal takes advantage of order flow support and resistance. When any area of support and resistance get tested and hold, smart money jumps on board. When any area of support and resistance is broken, smart money jumps on board. But they wait. That's why they have a lot. It's the confirmation of this that smart money is going to jump on board that guides 100% of our work. Trading concepts, signals, research, everything we do in a stock index trading room is done based on, we want to find out when the people that have enough clout are going to support positions, okay? Since order flow leads price, without order flow, without orders coming in the market, price is not going to move. Since order flow leads price, it seems if trading order flows, support and resistance levels would create a dream come true. In our opinion, it is. See, order flow has substantially more significance in market structure, support and resistance, than price. This is why Stock Index Trading Room enjoys the deciding trading advantage. I'm going to show you in a second. Price either repeats or it doesn't, okay? If price repeats, then we find patterns either with price bars, which was what most people do, and that's history, or indicators that trades the future if it's order flow indicators. Trades the future and not the past. See, indicators are better if your indicators are better. Only repeating action can be tested, refined, improved, and relied on for your success. If you're trading random or inconsistently, this will not appeal to you, and you can go ahead and turn me off. Save 7 more minutes. This is only for traders that understand any edge in a market entry is good enough for dreams to come true. The market entry systems we share have this proven track record. If you believe, like we do, and have proven the future will be more like the past rather than less like the past, but not exactly like the past, then we're going to invite you to stick around. And let's go over what we have. Again, going to do this quick. If you need to get in touch, Stock Index Trading Room at Gmail. There's a website. If you want to come and join us, do that. Look through that 6-minute video and you'll get a nice discount at the end of that. Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas anywhere. We've got members all over the world. Happy holidays. Whenever your holidays are celebrated, let us know and we'll support you and celebrate those with you. Okay, the Santa Claus was so named market entry system Because you can see where I'm going to draw your attention to this orange line, okay, which reads order flow, not just price, order flow. And these green and red horizontal lines, we call that smart break point. And when trap trader oscillator goes through one of the red ones, we tend to go up. Green ones, we tend to go down. You see here. When we go through both, dynamite. I dated myself a little. It is that it's like, okay, if one is really good and I'm watching it go up here and I'm watching it go down here, and this is going to get us in front of order flow, that's pretty incredible. Okay. So that's what I'm going to share with you. And let me do this. Let me share why I had a big X here, and then I've marked some of these. Well, Adam was smart trade markers and we'll be done. If you come to the room, I'll go through a lot of detail about why this is so incredible. If you don't, again, it won't matter, but this is a Christmas present for a lot of folks. So this is a breakout rocket. This is this is called a rocket because to me it looked like, whenever we had this big red thing sticking out of the bottom of this green dot, we would go up and just look like a rocket taking off. Okay. So we break through this red order flow resistance. What happens when the market gets above resistance? It tends to accumulate up. Okay. So this is a trap. We have too many people selling here against order flow. They're going to get squeezed out. All of these folks, about 90% of the time, are going to get squeezed out. So we have a trading situation that gives us an 8-tick advantage over 90% of the time. It's about 94.5 for 2 points. All of these little small bars are 4 ticks or 1 full point. Large bars are 2 ticks. 2 points. The reason 8 ticks we use that is 8 ticks tends to set a local trend for the ES. Not all the time, but tends to set a local trend. So we have an advantage just knowing that, and we do know that. We've tested that. So that's the best, most reliable, profitable over time entry method. So what we have here is we break through green and red. That is a Santa Claus. And for our smart trade markers, we're going to buy that. Now I'm going to pull this over and show you this is we have one here. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're going to load Friday in here for you real quickly, okay? I've got these marked. Here's one that didn't work, and I'm going to bring that to your attention in just a minute. We go through green and red. That's a Santa Claus. So that's a buy. Has nothing to do with moving averages or background colors. Yeah, all this is trading is order flow support and resistance and giving us major advantages in the room to trade. So we go through here. We don't go through any of these. I've looked at this chart a lot to make sure what I'm showing you is a fair representation. In a week, could I miss one? Yeah. You're going to get exactly this. Next week's probably going to be a little different. Our intent here is to show you this is a system that gives you an advantage to support your trading. Yeah, if you want to take advantage of that, great. If this is not for you, it's not for you. I didn't put this in, and I put an X here. I could have justified it. Actually is. It qualifies. I'm not going to tell you why. But, this is a little, I'm not sure if that, if I went through this green, if it was already above it, things like that. Okay. Here's the same over here. Okay. We go through red. We probably don't go through green. So I could have put that in and misrepresented this. That's not fair to you. That's crazy. Okay. Here we do go through red, and it's obvious through green here. So we'll sell that. Now, if you're looking at this, if you watch this for about 30 minutes or so, that's all it'll take. You'll start seeing these patterns actually before they happen. So real easy pattern to spot. And if you have it on your screen, they'll just pop out at you. And that's it. That's what we have. So let me pull this back over. And I'm going to let's look at this. And so here we have a loser. The other 4 days we didn't have one. Here we had one loser, I think. Let's look at this. Yep, one right there. Okay, one loser right there. So pretty good week for us. Nice profit factor. If we're trading for $50 profit, we get 39. That's insane how good that is. But I'm going to show you a couple of things in the way we roll in the room. Okay, so let's move this. We test this for 2 points when people that say, okay, I'm going to get out at 1 and leave a runner, get out at 2 and leave a runner. And let's go ahead and put that in. And this is true to form. Win percentage is the same. And over a month, that might deviate a tiny bit, but not much. So what? We would never trade that for a point if 2 points is the same, right? Or we would never promote that. Do what you want to do. Well, if we're moving this up, let's move this up. Can we go from 1913 24? Oh, we can. So nice chunk of change here. That's 3 points. Okay, with a 15 tick stop. Okay. How about 4 points? I don't know the answer to this. I didn't do this one. Let's see, 24, 26. Yeah, not much. Not much. Okay. What about 5 points? What about a 15 tick stop and a 20 tick profit? If that's over 50%, you're smart enough to figure out if I take more than I give and I take more often than I give, what will happen to my account? This is 73%. This is a crazy number. And I can even show you this. It has legs. We can go up. It doesn't change. It doesn't change. 7 points is the same as 5. So those of us that trade this in the room, if you were to trade it this way, we have our third target. Or if you're just trading one, and you want to let it run, that's a really, really nice trade for you there. Our profit factor's over 1,000%. That means that for this week, had I taken all of these and I missed like 3 because I wasn't at my computer, 3 or 4. I'm over 1,000% likely to profit versus not profit every time we get in. So every day had a comma in it. Really nice system. If you're looking just for a rules-based system that gets you in front of future market movement, the Santa Claus is it. That would be our Christmas present to you. So Rob Mitchell, World Cup trading champion, undisputed, one of the largest ES traders in the world, maybe the largest, but we can't prove that, so we don't promote it. Designed, tested, refined all of our indicators, 8-tick reversal, 4-tick continuation. These price bars read order flow, and they're amazing in and of themselves. We have trade strategies just for the price bars. But what we've done here is we've taken order flow versus price and get lead outs breaking through support and resistance, because what? The market almost 100% of the time trades away from support and resistance. When we break through both, we go up. When we break through both the other way, we go down. I don't know if there's one close by. But anyway, I'll show you. We'll show you there's a buy, there's a buy, here's a sell. We break through red and green going down. We get below order flow resistance. We're breaking through this bar. We have 90% probability to take that out. So we have a 90%, we have a 90% effective 12-tick discount to enter right there. So that's what we're doing in the room. And that's why we're having such success with the people that are coming in and learning things like this. Now, we have other successful members that trade differently. Okay. And they use this in a different way to support their trading. It's a whole lot easier in our room to find something that supports what you do if you are successful and make it better than to, totally change your ideas about trading. Let me get out of here. Merry Christmas, happy holidays on behalf of Rob Mitchell, World Cup trading champion. All the world-class members of our room that are really just, living the life of their dreams as a trader. Uh, Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, be safe, be healthy, be happy, be prosperous. If we can do anything for you, it would be our honor to work on that with you. And best in everything you do, especially best in your trading. And hopefully we'll see you in the room. That would be cool.